for Tajmotormedics. I've got a Renault Megane here, and this is part 3 now on this particular model, because I've got other two I've done on the front, which is the position lamp and the main dip bulb. I'm going to show you how to replace the rear stop lamp on both sides, but I'll have a video for this side separately to the other, so there's no confusion. So there'll be a part 4 on the other side. Now I'm replacing both of the stop lamp. The reason I'm replacing them because they're not working. The top one, the center one is working, but the side ones aren't working, and they're the same as the rear tail light as well. So I'm assuming the bulb we need is a 380 bulb, which can be found in the description. So if you needed one, you can click on the link and get one for yourself. Now to do it, let's get to business. If you come right in, now on the inside, as you can see there, that's one of the screws we need to undo. And then through this little gap here, if I just push this, pull this back, that's the other one right there as well. Now I'll take this one out first because this one's a bit tricky. I mean, even though they've got spanner sizes on there, but how would you even put a spanner in there, because there's not enough space? Ouch, that's a proper back breaking. Right, that's out. And then the next one is here. So with this one, don't take it out all the way, just undo it and then push the light towards the outside, and then you can see it from here when I'm doing it. Okay, you see that right there? I'm creating a gap in the light. That's it. So I can now take it out all the way. Take camera, the bulb. Right, it's a 380 bulb, that's what we're doing. So what I do, I'll pull it out towards me, and these are the little screws and lugs right here. So see, there's a hole here, and a hole on this side as well. So the stud sort of lines into here, and this little thing lines into there. Now if you did want to take the whole thing out again, you can take it out by wedging a screwdriver in, pulling the plug out, but I really don't need to take it out. So the body is leaning on my body. So clip back, and then you've got one more right here. That's the only one, which is the most awkward one. That's it. So once I take it out, put the light somewhere safe. Now this is the bulb we're replacing. I know the Renaults and the Peugeots, they do suffer from electrical faults as well. So always remember, when you're replacing the bulb, check the terminals. Now, if you want to take this out, you can either wedge your fingers in there or put a screwdriver in there. It's a bit tight, so I'm going to have to get a screwdriver, but you'll need to take that out. Bulb change, it's a double filament, again, 380, like you see. And the bulb would only go one way as well, so I can't put it this way. I need to put it this way, and that's it, job done. I now put this back in. At the same time, you could replace the indicator bulb as well if you did want to do it. I then slot it through the holes. Sorry, it's the other way. I then slot it through the holes, and then you hear a click here, here, and here. Remember the sill on the cluster as well. Now to put it in, I slide it in from here first, just a little bit, and then line it up, and then Bob's your uncle. That's all done. I'm just going to screw them in now. So I'll do the top one in first, the inside one. So if I get the camera in there, right there. Screw that one in. You just got to nip it up, don't go too mad on it. Just that's it. And then this one here is the quite awkward one. So I'm going to try to see if I can get it all lined up. Here we go. Your eyes are your fingers. So here we go. That's in there now as well. That's it, job done. I'm just going to try the brakes here. So if you can hold the camera right there. Might switch it on. As the way switching the ignition on, the whole car comes on. So I'll press the brakes. Now you can see that one's working, but on the other side it isn't. So what I'm going to do now, switch the ignition off. and that's done. So if there is anything else you need to know about Renaults, do check out the playlist for Renault, and you'll find the bulbs in there as well. These are in parts for this particular model. So it is a Mark III Renault Megane. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.